Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are going to learn how to make Gulab Jamun. It is a popular Indian dessert. So let's see what we need for this recipe. 200 grams of khoya or mawa, 50 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 pinch of baking powder. For stuffing, little bit of pistachios, saffron, sugar and cardamom powder. For sugar syrup, 2.5 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water, cardamom powder. So we'll start with the preparation. First we are making the sugar syrup. For that we are taking 2 cups of water, sugar and cardamom powder. Now keep it on the flame until your sugar dissolves completely. Okay, so until our sugar is getting dissolved, we are going to make the gulab jamun. For that we are going to take the paneer. So now we are going to start kneading it so by pressing it firmly like this, we are going to knead the paneer until it gets nice and soft. So you can see it has got nice and soft. So now keep it aside. So next we are going to take the mawa, and you can see it is a soft mawa. And now we are going to knead it the same way as we knead the paneer until it gets nice and soft. So now we are going to take the paneer and we are going to mix it with the mawa. Mix it nicely until it gets combined and soft. Now we are going to add all-purpose flour and 2 pinches of baking powder. And now mix all your ingredients well. And once it's combined, we are going to knead it again the same way so that we get a nice smooth texture. And basically this process of kneading is done so that you don't get cracks into your gulab jamuns. So now we have got a nice soft dough. So now we're going to take a little bit of amount and make it into a nice ball. Now we're going to form it in a ball. Press it with your finger in between. And then we are going to fill in the pistachio, sugar and saffron. And now we're going to pack it and make it into a round ball. And softly make a ball like this. And you can see there are no cracks. Make sure that there are no cracks. And now make all the balls just like this. So balls are ready. So you can see the sugar is completely dissolved. And we have added just some threads of saffron. So now we're going to keep it for more 1 minute on the flame. So sugar syrup is ready, and you can see it should not be too hard or too soft, because if it gets more harder, it will make your gulab jamuns more harder. Okay, so now on the side, we are going to heat up the clarified butter or ghee where we are going to fry in our gulab jamun. Now make sure that it is not too hot, and if you want you can just drop in a piece of or a ball of dough inside and check the temperature of the ghee. So basically you need to see that your dough comes out slowly up like this. So now before dropping in our balls, we are going to take a spoon and stir the oil or ghee. And now drop in the balls. And now we are going to stir the ghee. And you can see we are not touching the balls. We are just stirring the ghee. That is what you need to do, so that they come up slowly and it doesn't burn. And make sure to put less of the balls at a time. Make sure to keep it on low flame, and you can see it has got a nice light brown color. And keep on stirring it continuously, and later on slowly and gradually it will float. So gulab jamuns are ready, you can see. So keep on stirring it until you achieve this nice color. It has got a nice beautiful brown color. And now just remove it on a paper towel. Okay, so now it's time to drop in our gulab jamun. So before dropping in your gulab jamun, make sure that your sugar syrup is not too hot and it's not too cool. It should be kind of lukewarm. So just cool down your sugar syrup, and now drop in your gulab jamun. And now coat it well with sugar syrup. Now you need to keep this gulab jamun into the sugar syrup for at least 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so it's been